So we're taking out Suzy in the middle of the blizzard of 2011 because she's a dog and we don't have anywhere in the apartment for her to pee or any of that kind of business. So she's got to go outside, whatever the weather may be. And we're all bundled up, ready to check it out. All right, let's see how Suzy does out here.
Ready, Suzy?
Let's see how we do out here. Look at this. Gosh, look at the drift. Look at this drift right away. Suzy just pees right into the drift. She's like, whatever.
You want to go through the drift?
Poor Suzy.
I know.
She's like.
Come here. What? Oh my God.
Wow. So we're out here in the blizzard. The wind is not terrible, but it is very windy.
Want to try to go, Suze?
Because of all the wind, there's definitely snow drifts piling up, but I'd say the snow on the ground is just a few inches right now. But you can see that it does drift up. Oh yeah, here's some wind now. Now we're getting pelted. Oh, somebody's screen fell off. Here's another big drift. Suzy seems to be having fun, enjoying herself. We'll go around the back of the building, okay?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Take her to the doggy park. Here's some really deep snow in this part of the parking lot. I don't know if we're going to be able to walk back there, actually. The wind is really whipping from east to west. So we're going to try and walk into this wind here. It's really gusty, and it kind of hurts.
Oh my God!
Very hard to see and keep your eyes open. You can't see anything. You need those ski goggles out here. I'm just gonna walk backwards. Makes a little bit more sense. I've never been in any kind of weather like this, ever. This is incredible. How are you doing, honey? Your eyes hurt? I'll take her. You want to take the flip? Aaron can't see. The doggy park is just a giant mound of snow. We'll see if see what Suze does here. Holy moly. Here, you gotta film my leg in this snowdrift.
Okay. Hey, there's Michael. Suzy's just going for it, man.
Yep.
Good girl. Oh my gosh.
Looking for a place to do her business.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Woo. Whoa, that's bad. Can she go?
We got it.
Good girl.
We got it.
She wants some privacy.
I know.
Well, she's got some behind this mount. Oh my gosh.
All right. Good girl.
Good girl. Mama's little snow dog. She's all white. Oh my gosh.
Oh, tell me you flipped that.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh. It's a win.
Okay.
Okay, ready, Seth?
We'll go in the back.
Let's go back in the front.
Really?
Yeah. Because at least the wind will be going up against our back.
All right. Come here.
Suzy.
Stay here.
I just don't want her to get stuck in a drift or something. You can't get out.
Oh, she won't. There's no
She
big
likes
drift.
it. Look at her.
There's no big drifts.
She's jumping around. She thinks it's fun. Did you get that?
Come here, Suze.
Did you get that?
Come here. Good girl.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is serious stuff.
We're both ready to go back inside now.
Suzy's having fun.
This is extremely serious.
Oh. Suzy! She's so happy.
Probably a delicious Canadian ice wine would be perfect right now for blizzard conditions. She's all right.
Okay. Suzy, careful. Stay near us.
The wind is really whipping now. Suzy, hey. Come on, honey.
I'm trying.
I know.
Let's go to that side door over there.
Yeah, okay.
Suzy.
Very hard to see anything. Stay here, Suzy. Very brutal. Hold the flip while I open the door.
Oh my gosh.
There's a big snowdrift right by the door here.
Can you get it?
Poor Suze is just
Good girl. What a good girl.
I don't think we can get into this.
Good girl. Oh my gosh.
I'll get that door closed.
Oh my gosh.
Saw the snow that came in. Giant drift by the door.
You're gonna see Suzy.
Come here, Suzy. Good girl.
Oh.
Good dog. Poor doggy. Let's get her all brushed off there.
Yeah, there you go. Good
What a
girl.
good girl. You feel better, though?
Yeah, good girl.
She's all happy. She made a duty.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
All right.
good girl. You're a tough little girl. You know that? She was jumping around in it. She was having fun. Where are we? Where are we at?
Blizzard action. It's serious stuff.
Yeah, well, get me.